Setting out on a weight loss journey is often transformative and empowering. Observing the scale shift in your favor and experiencing positive transformations in your body can serve as a highly motivating force. However, many people encounter challenges on the path to reaching their target weight. A frequent roadblock that can stall progress even for the most committed individuals is commonly referred to as the weight loss plateau. This is the inability to continue losing weight after an initially successful rapid weight loss. This phase can be frustrating and demotivating. Today in this video, we'll discuss more about weight loss plateau and how we can break through them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more videos about all things health and wellness. Weight loss and weight gain were always thought to be caused by the balance of calories. Burn more than you consume and the problem is solved. However, the body's control over weight, much like other physiological aspects such as blood pressure and heart rate, operates through intricate feedback loops. This mechanism, often referred to as the metabolic thermostat, centers around a set point, a weight the body seems inclined to return to consistently. Patients, when asked, can often identify this number with ease. Traditional approaches advocate calorie restriction, pushing individuals onto 1,200 or 1,500 calorie diets. While this may yield initial weight loss, it triggers a negative feedback loop. Hunger intensifies, metabolism slows, and the body, perceiving this as a period of famine, strives to conserve fat resources. The result? Weight loss plateaus, relentless hunger, and the challenge of resisting tempting foods. The secret to effective weight loss, it seems, is not to fight against the set point, but to lower it. This involves eliminating factors elevating the set point, such as medications, inactivity, and certain processed foods. Simultaneously, one should adopt methods like nutrition changes, not necessarily eating less but eating differently, engaging in exercise to build muscles, and considering medications or weight loss surgery. While more research is necessary to determine why weight loss plateaus occur, there are ways we can get past it. Here are 12 recommendations to overcome a weight loss plateau. Number 1. Reduce carb intake. Studies have affirmed the effectiveness of low-carb diets for weight loss. Consuming 50 or fewer grams of carbs per day has shown greater weight loss results compared to traditional diets. While the debate on whether low-carb diets boost metabolism continues, they consistently reduce hunger, increase feelings of fullness, and produce appetite-reducing ketones. Number 2. Boost exercise frequency or intensity. Counteract the metabolic slowdown that accompanies weight loss by increasing your exercise routine. As you lose weight, your metabolic rate naturally decreases, making continued weight loss challenging. Exercise, especially resistance training, helps retain muscle mass, influencing the calories burned during activity and at rest. In a 12-week study, women following a low-calorie diet and engaging in daily 20-minute weightlifting sessions experienced significant weight loss. Number 3. Monitor food intake. Underestimating the amount of food consumed is common, hindering weight loss progress. People often perceive they eat less than they actually do. Tracking calories and macronutrients provide accurate insights into your intake, allowing necessary dietary adjustments. Additionally, the act of recording food intake has been shown to enhance weight loss efforts. Number 4. Prioritize your protein intake. If you've hit a roadblock in your weight loss journey, consider upping your protein consumption. Firstly, protein has a great impact on metabolic rate compared to fat or carbs. This is due to the thermic effect of food, or TEF, where the digestion of protein increases calorie burning by 20 to 30%, more than twice the effect of fat or carbs. In a study, women who followed diets with 30% versus 15% of calories from protein experienced a twofold increase in metabolic rate on the higher protein day. Secondly, protein triggers the release of hormones like PYY, reducing appetite and promoting a sense of fullness. Moreover, maintaining a higher protein intake can safeguard against muscle loss and a decline in metabolic rate, common during weight loss. Number 5. Keep stress in check. Stress can act as a major obstacle to weight loss. Aside from encouraging emotional eating and cravings, it elevates cortisol production, known as a stress hormone, which can contribute to increased belly fat storage, particularly in women. Effectively managing stress has been shown to support weight loss. In an 8-week study with overweight and obese women, a stress management program incorporating muscle relaxation and deep breathing resulted in an average of weight loss of 9.7 pounds or 4.4 kilograms. Number 6. Explore intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity for its potential benefits in fat and weight loss. This practice involves extended periods without eating, typically ranging from 16 to 48 hours. Research suggests intermittent fasting can lead to a 3 to 8% weight loss and a 3 to 7% reduction in waist circumference within 3 to 24 weeks. Intermittent fasting, where individuals alternate between very low-calorie days and regular eating, has been found to protect against muscle loss better than daily calorie restriction. Number 7. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol might be hindering your weight loss progress. Despite a single alcoholic drink containing around 100 calories with no nutritional value, people often consume more than one drink per sitting. Alcohol's tendency to lower inhibitions can lead to overeating or poor food choices, especially for those dealing with impulsive food-related behaviors. A study revealed that reducing alcohol intake resulted in decreased overeating and greater weight loss, particularly among individuals with high impulsivity levels. Additionally, alcohol suppresses fat burning and may contribute to the accumulation of belly fat. If you've hit a plateau in weight loss, consider minimizing alcohol intake or indulging occasionally in small quantities. Number 8. Boost fiber intake. To overcome a weight loss plateau, consider incorporating more fiber into your diet, particularly soluble fiber that dissolves in water or liquid. Soluble fiber helps slow down the movement of food through your digestive tract. While various types of fiber may aid weight loss, viscous fiber in particular has proven effective in controlling appetite and food intake. Fiber might also reduce the absorption of calories from other foods, with an estimated 130 fewer calories absorbed from mixed meals by doubling daily fiber intake from 18 to 36 grams according to a study. Number 9. Hydrate with water, coffee, or tea. While sugary drinks contribute to weight gain, certain beverages can help break through a weight loss plateau. Water alone can boost metabolism by 24 to 30% for up to 1.5 hours after drinking a 17-ounce serving, potentially aiding weight loss, especially when consumed before meals to reduce food intake. In a 12-week study, older adults who drank water before meals lost 44% more weight than those who didn't. Coffee and tea containing caffeine may also support weight loss by increasing fat burning and metabolic rate, particularly in lean individuals. Green tea with its antioxidant EGCG has been shown to enhance fat burning by 17%. Additionally, caffeinated beverages may amplify the metabolism-boosting effects of exercise. Number 10. Distribute protein intake throughout the day. It's not just about the total daily protein intake. Spreading protein consumption throughout the day can leverage the thermic effect of food to enhance metabolism. Research indicates that having proteins at each meal is beneficial for weight loss and muscle mass retention. Experts recommend adults consume 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal based on 3 meals a day. Number 11. Prioritize quality sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for overall well-being. And insufficient sleep can contribute to weight gain by lowering metabolic rate and influencing hormones that regulate appetite and fat storage. In cases of stalled weight loss, lack of sleep may play a role. A study revealed that adults who slept only 4 hours per night for 5 consecutive nights experienced a 2.6% decrease in resting metabolic rate, returning to baseline levels after 12 hours of sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to support weight loss and overall health. Number 12. Stay active throughout the day. While regular exercise is important, everyday activities also impact daily calorie expenditure. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which includes fidgeting and changes in posture, can significantly affect metabolic rate. Research demonstrates that compared to lying down, metabolic rates increase by an average of 54% when fidgeting while seated and a remarkable 94% when fidgeting while standing. Boost your non-exercise activity thermogenesis by standing more frequently, such as using a standing desk. A standing during the afternoon workday portion burned nearly 200 additional calories on average, according to a study. Experiencing weight loss plateaus is a common and expected aspect of the weight loss journey. Nearly everyone experiences a stall at some point, and we hope that these recommendations would help you reignite weight loss and safely reach your desired goal weight. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.